Hey guys, today we brought in our 4th gen Tacoma into the shop. We had a lot of CBI products to install. I want to go over a few of those with you so you guys know what to expect, because we are making some install videos for these products, so you can check those out down below. Other than that, first product that we installed today was the CBI sliders. These sliders are a fantastic addition to any 4th gen Tacoma, not only for protection, but also aesthetics. These are made to protect your vehicle from taking rocks from underneath. Also, if you're off-roading and slip off a rock, or a rock comes off from under the tire, this is going to protect your body from taking all that damage. Second thing that we installed is over here. We did a full belly skid plate install. We're going from the front of the engine all the way back to the back of the transfer case. These skid plates do come with an oil drainage spot. We also have the CBI LCA skid plates that protect the LCA from just getting damage in general. These products are primarily made, are specifically made for protecting your vehicle when you're off-roading. Most of the stuff that this is going to protect isn't like, oh, I'm going to go hit some rocks and I know I'm going to need them. These will cover that, but also like, I'm just going to go hit a quick trail. You're at the last 100 yards, this is what happened to us. Rock comes up from the tire, dents your door. Stuff like that can be avoided and prevented with skid plates and sliders just like these. So instead of taking on the expense of a new door, losing your vehicle for a few days, invest in some skids, some sliders, protect your investment, especially as you're going off-roading. Installation is super easy. Definitely a 2-man job, or if you have like a hoist or a jack stand or transmission jack to be able to get these things up. We did go full steel for all of our stuff. They do offer aluminum. The steel though is, if you're gonna plan to take some heavier trails, I would definitely go steel. It's a little heavier, but these new 4th gens are doing really, really well with the added weight, larger tires with that 8-speed transmission. So if you want more information on this, you can go to our website, www.tacovinyl.com, or you can check out our YouTube channel. We're going to do a full walkthrough installation for the skids and the sliders. So thanks for watching, guys.